Hello student, welcome to SBIST tutorial. I am Sangita Purkait, Assistant Professor of SBIST College. So today I will show you how to solve a linear equation. Linear equation means the form of linear equation is number 1 dy dx plus py equal to q, where p and q are functions of x alone or constant, and number 2 dx dy plus px equal to q, where p and q are functions of y alone or constant. Okay, so that is the form of the linear equation. Number 1 is dy dx plus py equal to q. যখন এখানে dy থাকছে তখন p এর সাথেও y মাল্টিপ্লাই হচ্ছে, যখন dx হচ্ছে p এর সাথেও x মাল্টিপ্লাই হচ্ছে। আর সিন্স dy dx ইনটু py আছে, সিন্স p এর সাথে y মাল্টিপ্লাই হয়ে আছে, তার জন্য p টা কিন্তু x এর ফাংশন হচ্ছে, x alone বলছি, that is p is only function of x. Similarly, q is also only function of x or constant. Since p is multiplied by y, so p is function of x alone, q is also function of x alone. Similarly, for the second one, since p is multiplied by x, so p is function of y alone, only function of y. Q is also function of y alone. Okay, now for the first portion, the integrating factor means if the integrating factor of the first equation is e to the power integration p dx. The integrating factor of the first equation is e to the power integration p dx, and the integrating factor of the second portion, the second function, is e to the power integration p dy. This is the two formula you have to remember. The integrating factor of the first equation is e to the power integration p dx, and the integrating factor of the second linear equation is e to the power integration p dy. Now let us take an example how to solve this linear equation. Acha, solve cos square x into dy dx plus y equal to tan x. ওকে, লিনিয়ার ইকুয়েশন সলভ করার একটাই মেথড আছে, এই মেথডটা আমি তোমাদেরকে দেখাচ্ছি। দিস মেথড ইজ স্ট্যান্ডার্ড মেথড, প্রত্যেকটা লিনিয়ার ইকুয়েশন এই মেথডেই সলভ করতে হয়। ওকে, this equation is not in the linear equation form. আমাদের linear equation এর দুটো ফর্ম আছে, নাম্বার 1 dy dx plus py equal to q, or dx dy plus px equal to q. এই ম্যাথটা এই দুটো ইকুয়েশনের কোনোটাতেই নেই। So that is, we have to arrange this equation into a linear form. First we have to arrange this equation into a linear equation, into a linear form. Okay, so that is, since এখানে dy dx is alone, so we have to divide cos square x both sides. So dividing cos square x, we have dy dx plus y by cos square x means sec square x into y equal to tan x by cos square x is sin x. Tan x by cos square x, tan x by cos square x by calculating tan x into sec square x. Okay, now this is the form of a linear equation. So we write down the value of p and q. P is sec square x and q is tan x. sec square x. আমি আগেই বলেছিলাম যদি dy dx হয় p is multiplied by y, that means p is function of x only. তো দেখো p is sec square x আছে, এটা function of x, q টাও function of x, there is no y. So p and q function of x and y alone. Now we have to first find out the integrating factor. First we have to find out the value of the integrating factor, and we know the formula if is e to the power integration p dx equal to e to the power integration p এর value sec square x dx, and we know integration of sec square x is tan x. So that means our if is e to the power tan x. Okay, now we solve the equation. তাহলে first part is we arrange the equation. First part is we arrange the equation into a linear form. Second part is we find the integrating factor. Third part is we multiply the integrating factor. The integrating factor with the linear equation, with the linear form. And fourth part is solve the equation lastly. Okay, so our first part is complete, second part is complete. Now we forward to the third part. We just multiply the integrating factor with the linear form. So we have the linear form dy dx. Plus sec square x into y equal to tan x into sec square x. So we multiply the integrating factor with this linear form. Our integrating factor is e to the power tan x into dy dx plus e to the power tan x into sec square x into y equal to e to the power tan x into tan x sec square x. Okay, now the vital part is যেটা প্রত্যেকটা অঙ্কের ক্ষেত্রে সেম হয়, এই লাইনটাকে, this line can be written as, we first write down the operator here. Operator is ddx, and operator is multiplied by y into the remaining part is e to the power tan x. Bas, this is all. If we break this term by uv method, by derivative of uv method, u into derivative of v plus v into derivative of u, we get total this term, these two terms. We will get this total two terms, that is ddx of y into ddx of e to the power tan x plus e to the power tan x into ddx of y. If we break this, we will get these two terms. এভরি মানে প্রত্যেকটা লিনিয়ার ইকুয়েশন কিন্তু এই লাইনটার পর এই লাইনটা কিন্তু হবে, এটা কিন্তু প্রত্যেকটা লিনিয়ার ইকুয়েশনের জন্য ফিক্সড। ওকে, ইকুয়াল টু e to the power tan x into tan x sec square x. Okay, now d into y into e to the power tan x equal to e to the power tan x into sec square x dx. তার মানে কি, we multiply this dx term in this side. Okay, now we integrating both side. We just integrate both the side. Okay, now integrating both sides, we have integration d of y into e to the power x equal to integration this. Now for this side we will get, আমরা জানি कारण कि integration d of something is equal to something, but integration d of x will be x. So integration, if we consider this is total equal to x, so that will be y into e to the power tan x. Okay, this is the formula of integration. Now for this we have to put a substitution. We put tan x equal to z, and we know derivative of tan x is sec square x dx equal to dz. Okay, now from this integration e to the power z into tan x is z and sec square x dx is dz. Okay, that is we get y into e to the power tan x equal to integration e to the power z into z dz. And we know by applying by parts we get this value e to the power z into z minus 1 plus c, the integrating constant. Okay, just apply by parts and you will get this value. Now putting the value of z, we get e to the power tan x into tan x minus 1 plus c. That is y into e to the power tan x equal to this. This is our required answer, and in this way we solve every linear equation. Okay, so firstly we just convert the equation into a linear form, then we write down the value of p and q, then we find out the integrating factor, then we multiply the integrating factor with the linear form, and then the operator, after multiplying the integrating factor, the operator form ta bollam, just write down the operator first, ddx or ddy whatever, then the term which is multiplied by operator and the remaining part. and but right hand side টা আমাদের কিন্তু ইন্টিগ্রেশন করতে হবে, যেটা আমি এই সাইডে করলাম, কিন্তু এই সাইডের ব্যাপারটা লেফট হ্যান্ড সাইডটা কিন্তু অলওয়েজ অপারেটর দিয়ে আমরা লিখতে পারি, এটা প্রত্যেকটা লিনিয়ার ইকুয়েশনের জন্য সেম হবে। ওকে, ইন দিস ওয়ে we can solve any type of linear equation. Hope this will help you. So